So friends, come to question number 16. Select the incorrect statement. Option 1 is inbreeding increases homozygosity. Inbreeding is essential to evolve pure lines in any animal. Inbreeding is select harmful recessive genes that reduces fertility and productivity. Inbreeding helps in accumulation of superior genes and elimination of undesirable genes. So answer 3 will be true because this is the incorrect statement, okay, about inbreeding, and the rest 3 are correct statements. So inbreeding exposes harmful recessive genes that are eliminated by the selection. It also helps in accumulation of superior genes and elimination of less desirable genes. Okay, productivity of therefore the selection at each step increases the productivity of inbred populations. So close to the continuing breeding usually reduces the fertility and even productivity. So we will describe that capital A is the dominant allele and small a is the recessive allele, which is deleted is. So when breeding takes place between this hybrid and homozygous dominant, then 3 outcomes are there: capital A, small a, which is the heterozygote, then capital A, small a. Again, just mark that again that the third allele, the third offspring of that cross or breed is again mated with another individual having capital A, but not the same ancestry. Okay, so that is called outbreeding. Outbreeding is when breeding takes place in between two different individuals of the same breed. So when breeding takes place in between the individuals of the same ancestry, that is called inbreeding. So again we will discuss what is the difference. Inbreeding refers to the mating of close related individuals within the pedigree of 4 to 6 generations. So when having the ancestry same of to 4 to 6 generations, when mating takes place in between any breed or any two, that leads to inbreeding. So what is outbreeding? It refers to the breeding of unrelated animals either of the same breed with no common ancestor or between the different breeds of the same species. So outbreed means there should not be any kind of same ancestry or same ancestry for 4 to 6 generations. So again, breeding of two types: inbreeding and outbreeding. Inbreeding between the same breeds, outbreeding between the different breeds of the same species. Outbreeding is the outcrossing and may be crossbreeding, it may be interspecific hybridization. So outcrossing is specifically mating of animals having no common ancestry up to 4 to 6 generations, because it is helpful for the overcome the inbreeding depressions, because when more and more inbreeding will be takes place within the same ancestry, then there is the problem arises, that is called inbreeding depression. So to avoid that, outcrossing is more selectable. Then outbreeding in this method, superior males and of the one breed and superior female of the another breed will be crossed. So this is mainly for the breeding of superior organisms. So this is about question 16. Now come to question number 17. The question 16 was from the chapter that is food production or food welfare. Now come to match the following organisms within the products they produce. So this is question from the directly NCERT, and this is from chapter microbes in human welfare. Lactobacillus we all know for the synthesis of curd. Saccharomyces cerevisiae we all know for the bread, that is called Baker's yeast, and Aspergillus niger is for citric acid, and Acetobacter acid is for acetic acid. Okay.